Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How To Guide. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recover deleted Snapchat photos, videos, or messages. But before we get to that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one, and also hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So with that being said, let's get right into the video. So to recover your deleted Snapchat photos, videos, one of the ways what you can do is you go to your browser, your Google Chrome or Safari, then you click enter accounts.snapchat.com, and here you enter your username and password and you log into their account here. Then what you'll do is click on the My Data option here. So then you can see data available in apps. So this is different data that Snapchat has saved. Your name, username, mobile number, Snapchat, a code, profile picture, payments, spectacles, history. And you can also download your snap history, receipt snap, sent snap, chat history, shop history, public profile, friends, all the messages, Bitmoji, subscriptions, memories. So all these things that you have used, the company has saved this data and you're able to download it. So to download it, you'll enter your email address, confirm your email address, and just submit the request. And within a few days, they will send this data to your account, to your email address, and that's how you'll be able to recover some of the deleted Snapchat photos and videos. Another thing what you can do is you can check if you've saved any of these Snapchat photos or videos on your gallery. So there might be a different folder or album in your gallery where you have saved these photos. So here I have a Snapchat album in my gallery. So like this, you might have it in your gallery and there's maybe different photos saved to it. So make sure you've checked in your gallery too. Another thing you can do is also check in your Google photos and your iCloud photos. If it's saved to those clouds, you can check if you have the photos from Snapchat saved there. What you can also do is go to chat and then see, if you scroll down here, you can check to see if there are any messages you're missing. So there might be some messages right there in the chat. That's where you can see. Another thing you can do is if you go on your camera app and you swipe up, there are memories here, and if you have any photos, videos that you have uploaded in the past, they will be available in the memories too. So that's some of the few ways you can apply to recover your deleted Snapchat photos, videos, and messages, guys. That's it for this video. I hope this video was of help to you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.